Hi everyone, welcome back to the QuickTech tutorial. Today for this video of QuickTech, I will be showing you how to download and install the Discord application. So for that, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and there you type in Discord and tap on search. It will show you the search result and the Discord application on the very top. Now you tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. This process is for the Android users where you can download the application from Google Play Store. If you want to download the Discord for the Apple or iOS device, you need to go to the App Store and download the application from there. You can see the downloading process is completed. Tap on open and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Discord application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the QuickTech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.